Welcome to Real Life English. Today, Leo and Emma are sending a Christmas gift to Leo's mom. You will learn useful English for shipping a package, choosing a delivery service, and tracking your order. Let's get started.
Leo, is that the gift for your mom?
Yes, I bought her a sweater and a scarf. She lives in Seattle, so I need to send it before Christmas.
That's so thoughtful. Do you have a box?
I found this one in the closet. I think it's big enough.
Let me see. Yes, it fits. You should wrap the items first before putting them in the box.
Good idea. I have some wrapping paper here.
Also, fold the sweater neatly so it doesn't get wrinkled.
Okay, done. Now I'll put it in the box.
You should add some padding around the clothes. Do you have any bubble wrap or packing paper?
I have some old newspaper. Can I use that?
Yes, that works. Padding means extra material around your items to protect them during shipping. Shipping means sending something from one place to another.
Got it. I'll put the newspaper around the sweater and scarf.
Perfect. Now close the box and tape it.
I need packing tape. Where did I put it?
It's on the table. Here you go.
Thanks. Okay, the box is sealed. It looks good.
Great. Now, how are you going to send it? Are you going to the post office?
Actually, I was thinking about UPS. I heard they're fast and reliable.
That's a good choice. The UPS store is just down the street. We can go there now.
Let me grab my wallet and the box. Oh wait, do I need to write the address on the box first?
You can do it at the store. They will give you a label.
A label?
Yes, a shipping label. It has the sender's address and the recipient's address on it. The sender is the person sending the package. The recipient is the person receiving it.
So I am the sender and my mom is the recipient.
Exactly. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome to the UPS store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to ship a package, please.
Sure, no problem. Are you shipping domestically or internationally?
What's the difference?
Domestically means you're sending the package within the United States. Internationally means you're sending it to another country.
Oh, I see. It's going to Seattle, Washington, so that's domestic.
That's right. Domestic shipping is usually faster and less expensive. Can I see the package?
Here it is.
Okay, let me weigh it for you. Please place it on the scale.
Sure. How does the weight affect the price?
The heavier the package, the more it costs to ship. Weight is one of the main factors. The other factor is the destination, meaning how far the package is going.
That makes sense.
It's 2 pounds. And what's inside the package?
Just some clothes, a sweater and a scarf. It's a Christmas gift for my mom.
How nice. No liquids, no batteries, no fragile items?
No, just soft clothing. What does fragile mean exactly?
Fragile means something that breaks easily, like glass or electronics. We need to know so we can handle the package more carefully.
Got it. No, there's nothing fragile inside.
Perfect. That makes things simple. Let me go over your shipping options. We have a few different options depending on how fast you need the package to arrive. First, there's UPS Ground. This is the most affordable option. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
Business days? What does that mean?
Business days are Monday to Friday, not including weekends or public holidays. So if you ship today, Monday, it would arrive by Thursday or Friday at the earliest, or the following Monday at the latest.
I see. And how much does UPS Ground cost for my package?
For this package going to Seattle, UPS Ground would be around $12.
That sounds reasonable. What other options do you have?
The next option is UPS Second Day Air. Your package will arrive in 2 business days. It's faster, but the price goes up to around $24 for your package.
So it's twice the price, but twice as fast.
Exactly. And then there's UPS Next Day Air. That guarantees delivery by tomorrow, but it's the most expensive at around $45.
$45 just for shipping? That's a lot. What does guarantee mean here?
Guarantee means we promise it will arrive by that time. If it doesn't, you can get a refund on the shipping cost.
Oh, that's good to know. Christmas is in 8 days. Which option would you recommend?
Honestly, I'd recommend UPS Second Day Air. December is our busiest season, and ground packages can sometimes be delayed. With Second Day Air, you have more buffer time.
Buffer time?
Buffer time means extra time in case something unexpected happens. It gives you a safety margin.
That makes sense. I really don't want it to arrive after Christmas. I'll go with UPS second-day air.
Good choice. Now let's fill out your shipping label.
I'll need some information from you. First, your full name and address. You are the sender.
My name is Leo Chen. My address is 204 Maple Street, Austin, Texas, 78701.
Got it. And the recipient's information? That's the person receiving the package.
The recipient is my mom. Her name is Linda Chen. Her address is 87 Pine Avenue, Seattle, Washington, 98101.
And a phone number for the recipient in case there's an issue with delivery?
Sure. Her number is 206-555-0183.
Perfect. I'm printing your shipping label now. This label goes on the outside of the box, on the top.
Why does it have to be on the top?
That way, the driver can easily scan it. See this black and white striped image on the label? That's called a barcode. The driver scans it with a device to record your package's location.
Oh, so that's how tracking works. Every time someone scans it, the system updates.
Exactly right. You'll be able to see every update online using your tracking number.
When do I get the tracking number?
After you pay, I'll print it on your receipt. You can enter it on the UPS website or app to follow your package at any time.
That's really convenient. I'll definitely use that.
Also, do you want to add insurance to your package?
Insurance? What does that cover?
If your package is lost or damaged during shipping, insurance means UPS will pay you back for the value of the items inside. Every package automatically comes with up to $100 of basic coverage.
The sweater and scarf cost about $60 total, so the basic coverage should be enough, right?
Yes, you're fully covered with the basic plan. No need to add extra unless your items are worth more than $100.
Great. Then I'll keep the basic coverage. No extra insurance needed.
Perfect. Let me attach the label to your box. All set. Now let's move on to payment. Your total today is $24.50. That includes the shipping fee and the label fee. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Of course. We accept credit cards and debit cards.
I'll use my credit card. What's the difference between a credit card and a debit card, by the way?
A debit card takes money directly from your bank account. A credit card lets you pay later. Both work fine here.
Good to know. Okay, I'll tap my card.
Perfect. Payment approved. Here is your receipt and your tracking number.
Thank you. So I just enter this number on the UPS website?
Yes. Go to ups.com or download the UPS app. Enter your tracking number and you'll see all the updates. You can also sign up for UPS My Choice to receive notifications by email or text.
Notifications meaning alerts sent to my phone or email?
Exactly. You'll get a message every time your package moves, and another one when it's out for delivery.
Out for delivery means the driver already has it on the truck?
Right. When it says out for delivery, it means the driver is on the way, and your package should arrive that same day.
Perfect. That's so helpful. Thank you so much for explaining everything.
Of course. That's what we're here for. Have a wonderful holiday season.
You too. Happy holidays.
Leo, have you checked the tracking yet?
Yes, I just opened the UPS app. It says the package is in transit.
In transit means it's on its way, moving between locations.
Right. It says it left the Austin facility at 6 this morning. A facility is like a sorting center where packages are organized and sent to the right destination.
Did it stop anywhere?
Yes, it says it arrived at a facility in Portland, Oregon.
That makes sense. Seattle is in the northwest, so it probably goes through Portland first. Each stop is called a checkpoint.
The app shows each checkpoint with the time and location. That's really useful.
When is the estimated delivery date?
Relieved. It says tomorrow by 8 p.m., so it's right on schedule. On schedule means it will arrive at the expected time with no delays.
That's great. You sent it with plenty of time before Christmas.
Wait, there's a new update. It says out for delivery now.
Already? The driver has it on the truck. Your mom should get it very soon.
I should call her and let her know to be home.
Good idea. What if she's not home when the driver arrives?
The driver will leave a delivery notice. That's a small paper left at the door if no one is home. It tells you where to pick up the package or how to reschedule delivery.
She can also reschedule online using the tracking number.
Right. UPS lets you change the delivery time or even the delivery address on their website. Very flexible.
Okay, call her now. Don't wait.
You're right. Calling her now.
Mom? Hi. How are you?
Leo, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great. Mom, I sent you a Christmas gift. It should arrive today. Are you home?
Yes, I'm home all day. What did you send?
It's a surprise. You'll see when you open it. When the delivery driver comes, you might need to sign for the package.
Sign for it? What does that mean?
It means you write your name or tap a screen to confirm that you received the package. Some packages require a signature to make sure they're delivered to the right person.
Okay, I'll stay near the door. How will I know when the driver is coming?
You can track the package online. I'll send you the tracking number by text. Go to ups.com and enter that number. You'll see exactly where the package is.
Thank you, Leo. You always explain things so clearly.
No problem, Mom. Oh, one more thing. After you receive the package, check to see if anything is damaged.
What should I do if something is damaged?
Take a photo of the box and the items inside. Then contact UPS to file a claim. A claim is a formal request to get money back for something that was lost or damaged during shipping.
I hope it's not damaged.
I packed it very carefully. I think it will be fine. Call me when it arrives.
I will. I'm so excited. Thank you, Leo. I love you.
Love you too, Mom. Talk soon. Oh, I just got a notification. It says delivered. Signature received. Let me call her back.
Leo, the package just arrived. The driver was so nice.
Did you have to sign for it?
Yes, he had a small device and I signed my name on the screen. It was very easy.
Great. Now open it.
Okay. Let me get some scissors. Oh, Leo, it's beautiful. The sweater is so soft and the scarf is gorgeous. I love the color.
I'm so glad you like it, Mom. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, my dear. Thank you so much. This is the best gift.
Love you, Mom. Enjoy it. Talk to you soon.
Bye, Leo. I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Leo, she's home and waiting? Yes, I explained everything to her. Signing for the package, tracking it online, and what to do if something is damaged.
Perfect. I think she'll get it very soon.
Oh, I just got a notification. It says delivered. Signature received.
That was fast. Your mom just got her Christmas gift.
She loved it. She said the sweater is so soft and the scarf is gorgeous.
You did everything right. You packed it carefully, chose the right shipping option, tracked it online, and it arrived before Christmas.
It was easier than I thought. I was nervous at first.
Shipping a package in the US is actually very simple. You just need to know the right words and steps.
Exactly. Now I feel confident doing it on my own next time.
Great job. Today, you learned useful English for sending a package. You learned words like sender, recipient, tracking number, in transit, out for delivery, and signature. You also learned how to choose a shipping option and track your package online. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.